YouTube, your girl Marcita B is back. Ooh-wee, I'm just here trying to survive this cray Atlanta winter. OMG. One day it's 9 degrees and then 2 days later it's 70. You heard me right. Then we get tornadoes. It's in the 60s. Then 2 days later, it's in the 20s, 30s, and still windy. Like, oh my goodness. Talk about a mixed bag. But I know y'all did not tune into my channel for weather reports. We're here to talk about crochet braids. So let's talk about crochet braids. Y'all know I have been up on my soapbox about the decline of crochet braids for a while now. Well, here we go again. I mean, it was bad enough when they were coming out with the same style, different name. Right, we were supposed to buy that. Now, I mean, it's gotten so bad now they're coming out with the same style, different links, all these long link down to your ankles. Okay, some people like that, but then the other thing, of course, is the same styles in the kitty versions. Okay, I guess that's what we're reduced to now. I've already done the kitty version of the free tress deep twist. I've done the kitty version of the outre or outre, if you prefer. So I guess I will go through all the manufacturers' kitty versions. Hence, bam, here we go. The Bobbi Boss kitty version collection. Theirs is called Boss Kids, and this style is the Happy Curl 6 inches. I looked for this hair at my local beauty supply store, and they actually did have the Boss Kids, but they didn't have this particular style, the Happy Curl. And I wanted Happy Curl because I felt like it would translate best on an adult than the other kid styles they had. So I found it online at ebonyline.com, and before you even say anything, I already know. But I bit the bullet. Took over 2.5 weeks for me to get the hair. But here it is. In the meantime, y'all know I've been doing some background acting gigs. I got a couple of jobs. I had to put in some hair, so I put in this old ocean wave hair that I had in my stash. Took a long time to do this install, so I'm not taking this out right now. But I didn't want to wait to do a video, so what I'm going to do, with the help of my lovely mannequin here, is create a crochet braid wig with this Bobbi Boss Happy Curl, show you the results of that. And then when I do take this out, I will be posting a YouTube video short of me wearing this hair. And here we go. I am using a generic diamond shaped knitted crochet wig kit purchased at my local beauty supply store, probably for about $2.99. I bought 5 packs of the hair on ebonyline.com. Cost $4.99 a pack. I got it in colors 1B, 2, and 1 pack of color number 4 for a little contrast. It also comes in T1B 27, T1B 30, T1B burgundy, 613, and 99J. Now, it doesn't say on the pack what type of synthetic hair this is, whether it's Kanekalon or whatever. It just says premium synthetic. It is nice and soft. Bobbi Boss usually has a good quality hair. You can separate or split this hair if you want to save money and buy fewer packs. It does cause a little minimal frizzing that you could probably rectify with a little braid spray or some glycerin. The hair is super soft and easy to work with, easy on your hands. Just loop once, pull through once. You don't even really have to knot it unless you want that little extra security. This installation only takes an hour to an hour and a half to complete. That will do it for this video, YouTube. Thank you so very much for watching and continuing to support my channel. You know I appreciate you. I will be back as soon as possible. Hopefully some new styles will come out. In the meantime, you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.